Hey everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today we're going to make some Cajun style smothered sausage, potatoes, and shrimp. First we're going to chop up our veggies, which is going to be a bell pepper, an onion, and some celery. But first we have to wash it all up. What you doing, Chunky? So you just want to cut these up in coins. I hate cutting sausage that is thawed out. I like when my sausage is frozen. See, look how better that frozen sausage cuts. I'm going to turn my cast iron pot on medium, and then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Pot getting completely dry. Once your pot's heated up, go ahead and put your sausage in. While your sausage is cooking, you can go ahead and chop up your potatoes just into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to leave about 15 minutes. Take them out. Then I'm going to put my veggies in. I think I'm going to put a little bit of chicken broth in here to try and get some of this goodness off the bottom. Chunky's helping. Hi, Chunk. You're being a good boy, huh? Yep. After I've cooked my veggies for about 15 minutes, I'm going to dump in the rest of the can of chicken broth. Then I'm going to add my potatoes. I'm going to turn it down to medium-low. Put about a tablespoon and a half of garlic. About 3/4 of a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. It's about to make me sneeze. Tablespoon of onion powder. Tablespoon of garlic powder. Tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And I'm not going to put any salt and pepper. You can do that later at the end. I'm just going to let it cook like this for now. And we're going to put a cover on it after I give it a stir. And let these potatoes get soft. Gonna add my sausage back. potatoes are really done. Then I'm going to put all my shrimp in. Yes, they're frozen. Joe just went to the store for me and got them. It won't take them long to cook though. Give it a mix. And then we'll put the lid back on. And let this cook just for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's finished. It looks yummy. Smells even yummier. Alright, taste test.
Yeah, it's really good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, awesome. There you have it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you make this, let me know what you think.